Deep inside a cave, tucked beneath a sleepy village in southern France, there is a cheese so intense it haunts terrified entire diner tables. This is Roquefort, the blue giant that turns mold into gold. But how did this pungent miracle survive plagues, wars, and modern hygiene? Everything begins in Roquefort-sur-Soulzon, a village with more sheep than people. Beneath these cliffs lies a maze of limestone caves. They breathe through tiny cracks called florins. Nature's own air conditioning keeps these caves damp, cold, and perfect for a party of fungi. No caves, no Roquefort. By law, if it's not ripened here, it's just blue cheese with an identity crisis. Some say a distracted shepherd left his lunch in a cave to chase romance. Weeks later, his cheese was blue, his bread was moldy, but still delicious. Fairy tale or not, monks here mastered blue cheese centuries ago. In 1411, King Charles VI locked it down. Only this village could craft the King of Blues, one of Europe's first protected foods and probably the smelliest. Real Roquefort starts with the Locon sheep, small, stubborn and productive only when they feel like it. Their milk is thick, rich and flows just a few months a year. That keeps Roquefort rare and farmers slightly stressed out. Next, cheesemakers blend in Penicillium roqueforti. They usually grow it on old rye bread, yes, bread that feed cheese. They pierce each wheel with needles, stick them in the caves, and wait for nature to do its jobs. No shortcuts, just stone, hair, and patience. A proper Roquefort matures for at least 3 months. Some wheels stay almost a year in the damp shadows. Everyone is sniffed, taped, and judged by masters affiners. Mold whisperer with secrets locked in family notebooks, far away from the internet. Roquefort is more than a cheese. It's a tiny mold empire. When the US tried to slap a 300% tax on it in 2003, hungry farmers threatened to swap a cheese for chaos. Even today, 19,000 tons of Roquefort keep thousands of shepherds and workers alive in one of France's southeast rural regions. For chefs, it's culinary TNT, creamy, crumbly, salty, sharp enough to wake up a boring salad or your sinuses. Add it to bread, swirl it in sauce, crumble it on steak. Just warn your guests first, especially if they think cheddar is strong cheese. Look at that, creamy, crumbly, salty, blue veins everywhere. This is how you do it. A good slice of crusty bread and a generous chunk of Roquefort. Salty, sharp, perfect melt in your mouth. Perfect with a glass of sweet white wine like a Sauterne or a Muscat. If you are brave, pair it with a bold red, but the sweetness balances the salt even better. Some people pair it with a little butter on the bread, and others even eat this for breakfast. I mean, why not? Cheese dream guaranteed. So, next time you bite into something blue and intense, remember, it all began in a cave where mold and milk teamed up for glory. Roquefort proves that sometimes the best flavors come from things you'd usually throw away. Mold, stale bread, and a damn cave. I'm Hugo, this is Taste French. If you want more secrets behind France's boldest bites, hit subscribe and stick around. No video next week, I will be on vacation. I'll see you exceptionally in 2 weeks instead, for another moldy story. See you there, my foodies!